Why buy store-bought stencils when you can make your own? Hey everyone, this is Shireen, and today I'm going to walk you through how I cut my own custom stencils step by step using just a few tools and my Silhouette Cameo cutting machine. This is the stencil roll I've been using. It's 12 inches wide, 80 feet long, and 6 mil thick. Perfect for detailed designs, and you can make so many stencils with just this one roll. I also grabbed a new set of cutting mats just for my stencils. There's 6 mats in total, 2 sizes with 3 grip options: strong, standard, and light. Here's my design inside Silhouette Studio. You can use any vector or shape you want as long as it's designed to be cut as a stencil. Just make sure the details hold together once it's cut. I experimented at multiple settings and found this was the best option for my machine. Force level is 38, speed 2 passes, and the blade depth is set to 8. Then I just hit send and let the machine do its thing. This particular cut took roughly 25 minutes, but that really depends on how detailed your design is. Once the cut is finished, I carefully remove the stencil from the mat, and here's where patience truly pays off. You'll want to peel slowly to avoid tearing, and take your time removing any leftover flashing that didn't stick to the mat. Now for the fun part, using the stencils. I'm using Gaffrey's heavy body texture acrylic paint in titanium white. I start with a small dollop on palette paper. Next, I'll tape my stencil onto the canvas and use the palette knife to spread the paint evenly across the surface. The heavy body texture has the perfect thickness. You can literally feel the raised design under your fingertips once it's dried. And the best part, you're not limited to store-bought sizes or styles anymore. Once you get the hang of this process, you can create any stencil you can imagine, any size, any detail, fully your own. I'll end by showing you a few more stencil designs I've made, each one ready for its own project. If you found this helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for more tutorials. Until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting, and never settle for the ordinary.